On Info Edge, it is one of UBS's top mid-cap picks. In fact, remember the UBS conference as well is on today, and we had spoken to Gautam Chowcharya earlier in the day where he highlighted how Info Edge and Make My Trip are one of their preferred mid-cap plays in the internet space. To talk more about Info Edge, we're now joined by Hitesh Oberoi. Good afternoon, Hitesh, and thanks so much for joining in. The January to March quarter was a good one for you all. You all clocked in a revenue growth of close to about 25%, which is the highest in the last 12 quarters. How have the months of April, May and half of June been for the company? Is the run rate... Okay, we've, snapped the connection with, Hitesh. We'll try and reconnect with him. In the meanwhile, turning our attention, back to our own markets. Before that, we've got the opening in the European markets. Yesterday, across the board, was a fairly good session for the global markets. But today, there seems to be some giving up of gains. Europe has opened with cuts of close to about 0.25% across the board. Have we managed to reconnect with Hitesh? Hitesh, if you can hear us, we would like to know... Yes. So the first question is, Jan to March was a good quarter for you all. You all had a revenue growth of 25%, the highest that you've seen in the last 12 quarters. How has Q1 been so far, the months of April, May and June? Has this revenue, momentum sustained?
Well, I can't say that right now because, a lot of our sales happen in the month of June. And, we have a lot of renewals that are due around quarter end. So I'll be able to give you a better picture only around quarter end. It's very hard for me to comment on how this quarter is going to be like right now.
Okay, so over a longer term then, I was reading the UBS report. They say that, while everything is fine, it's going to be a real estate portal or 99 acres, actually, the performance there, which is going to be the key driver going forward for your company. Over the medium term or the longer term or perhaps, the second half of FY16, by when can we expect actually 99 acres to be a bit break even or perhaps even show a profit?
Well, not for the next few quarters at least. The truth is that while there's a big opportunity in real estate, the market for real estate is very tight. Real estate is not selling in markets like Delhi and Bombay. Transactions are down to an all-time low. There's a lot of competitive activity in the space as well. And all the portals which are in this space continue to invest aggressively in the business. So the long-term story is good. I mean, the medium-term story should also be great. But we don't expect to make a profit in this business for the next few quarters at least. In fact, losses could go up substantially in 99 acres going forward.
Hitesh, I was listening in to, I think, your conference call post the earnings where you indicated that competition has spent close to about 250 crore in advertising in the real estate market over the last 3 segments. Can you share us, your number? How much have you invested in 99 acres so far till date? And what is the plan with respect to FY16 investments in 99 acres? Any number?
Yeah, so if you look at our, we are a public company, so we give out our numbers. So we invested about 37 crores in 99 acres last year. So our losses in the 99 acres business were around 35 to 40 crores. Even before that, of course, we've been investing, but not such large sums. We in fact almost broke even about 5 or 6 quarters back. But since then, we've upped our investment substantially in the business. Going forward, we are investing aggressively. Like I said, we just raised 750 crores to invest in the 99 acres business. We see a big opportunity in the space. It's a billion-dollar category, and we are likely to. And in most countries, the real estate sites are actually bigger than job boards. So and a lot of this investment, of course, is going in product development. It's going in sales expansion. It's going into building a brand. A lot of it, how much we invest will ultimately depend on what competition also doing. We believe we can run a good business, and we don't have to invest too much. But if competition, is very aggressive, that will force us to also invest substantially in the business going forward.
Yeah, market dynamics, true. But you said that your losses right now in the business are about 35-40 crores. If the expectation is that, while it's in this stage of actually getting propped up, how much could the losses increase to?
Well, we raised 750 crores to invest in the 99 acres business. So we are not shy. We are not going to be shy of investing. If this means losing even 100 crores a year, 150 crores a year, we are prepared for that. A lot will depend on what competition does. 35-40 crores is what we lost last year. This year, like I said, we are planning to lose a lot more. We're planning to invest a lot more in the business. A lot will also depend on what happens to top line growth. If the market for real estate recovers and top line growth is high, then losses of course go down. But if the market for real estate continues to be tight and competition continues to be aggressive, then of course the business would lose significantly more than what we lost in the last year.
Okay. Can you give us a sense of what the company's market share in the online real estate classified, online real estate market is for 99 acres, and how has it changed?
So on traffic, I think we averaged about 35% or so last year. In terms of revenue, I think revenue share is also likely to be in the same range.
Okay, but
so about 35%, give or take a few percentage points.
Yeah. Okay, but have you lost any market share considering the competition has gone up so much? How would your market share compare, say, a year ago or 2 years ago?
Actually, we haven't lost share because what has happened is that there are some other players who exit the market. So, if I look back 5 years ago, we were competing with the likes of Makaan, India Property, Magic Bricks. There are some new players now, but some older players have lost out. So our traffic share has sort of more or less remained intact. But yes, we have newer competitors.
Okay, on a company level then, are you likely to sustain this 20-25% revenue growth rate well into FY16?
We've been very happy with the way the Naukri business has been doing. So, we grew at about 25% last quarter after a long time. We've done a lot of innovative work on Naukri. We've launched some new products. Our traffic share is at an all-time high. The market for hiring seems to be getting better with every passing quarter. Last year we had a very good year, for example, thanks to IT hiring. We expect the other sectors to also pick up going forward. So if the economy continues to be good and we continue to sort of innovate and we maintain our traffic share, I think Naukri can do very well from here on. And we know, Naukri is a very high EBITDA margin business. Naukri has very high operating leverage. If the Naukri business starts growing at 25-30% per annum, our profits from the Naukri business would start growing at 30-40% per annum. So that's good. So far so good as far as the Naukri business is concerned. We are also sort of fairly confident of being able to grow our Shiksha and Jeevan Sathi businesses at a reasonable rate. We don't expect them to hit the ball out of the park, but we expect that these businesses to grow at a healthy rate going forward. Of course, if they require more investment, we are willing to invest. But they don't require the kind of investment that 99 acres is required. 99 acres is where, it's very hard for me to predict what is going to happen. Like I said, a lot will depend on competitive activity. But we are hopeful and confident that if we continue to sort of invest aggressively in the business, even if the market for real estate continues to be tight, we should be able to grow the business at least 25-30%. So, chances are that, if the economy continues to be strong, we should be able to grow all our businesses at 20% plus, and the company as a whole could grow at 25%. But we are still keeping our fingers crossed. The recovery is still, it's been just 1 or 2 quarters since we've seen massive growth come back to Naukri. And like I said, a lot will depend on the economy going forward as well.
All right, Hitesh, we'll leave it at that. I'm sure your shareholders are also waiting for the turnaround in 99 acres because, the stock has just given a return of 1% in the last 12 months. And, the investments in 99 acres are eating into your consolidated business and taking away the good work that Naukri.com is doing. So thanks again for taking the time out and joining in, and wish you all the best for all the ventures that you all are into. Time for your